Welcome to Gear vs. Gear. The best ProVetLogic kennel and turf care is probably one of the most essential products for any pet owner looking to maintain a clean, hygienic, and odor-free environment for their beloved animals, whether in a professional kennel setting or simply in their backyard turf areas, ensuring a pleasant and healthy space for both pets and people alike. Number 5. ProVetLogic Kennel and Turf Care Cleaner. Introducing ProVetLogic Kennel and Turf Care, a high-performance cleaner designed for all your pet facility needs. It tackles floors, synthetic turf, odors, and drains with ease. This versatile cleaner is perfect for veterinary clinics, animal care facilities, zoos, pet shops, and kennels. It's formulated to handle the toughest jobs in professional environments. Experience a powerful cleaning action without harsh bleach. It brightens surfaces as it cleans, leaving them sparkling with a pleasant scent. Trusted by leading manufacturers, it's recommended for a variety of surfaces including concrete, tile, grout, brick, synthetic turf, and rubber mats. Use it manually or with mechanical methods. Its inherent biological action continues to work between cleanings, helping to minimize soil accumulation. Keep your facility cleaner for longer with this innovative formula. What we like. This cleaner offers a powerful, bacterial-enriched formula that tackles tough messes. Its unique chemistry provides a bleaching action without harsh chemicals, leaving surfaces sparkling. If you manage a veterinary clinic, animal care facility, or a busy kennel, and need a reliable cleaner that continues to work between deep cleans, this is an excellent choice for maintaining a hygienic environment. What people say. This is 1 week later and my yard is still free of all odors. Even the cement area where my male dog was targeting has no odor. Good product for actually helping to eliminate pet urine odor from artificial turf. Allows for more uses treatments than most. It does everything it says it does, and it doesn't require a lot either. I use it to clean artificial grass, kennel, patio, drain. It is professional grade. Number 4. ProVetLogic Kennel and Turf Care Gallon. Introducing ProVetLogic Kennel and Turf Care, your all-in-one solution for maintaining clean and fresh pet spaces. This concentrated formula tackles tough messes effectively. Beyond just cleaning, it acts as a powerful deodorizer, ensuring a pleasant environment. It also helps maintain clear drains, preventing clogs and odors. Specifically designed to keep synthetic pet turf immaculate and odor-free. It's the perfect partner for your pet's outdoor play area. This gallon-sized container holds a concentrated formula, meaning a little goes a long way. Get superior cleaning power with exceptional value. Choose ProVetLogic for reliable and effective solutions that keep your pet's environment clean and healthy. Experience the difference in quality and performance. What we like. This product utilizes advanced microbes that multiply and continuously destroy odor-causing compounds, offering superior performance over traditional enzyme cleaners. It's completely chemical-free and safe for use around children and pets. If you're looking for a powerful, long-lasting odor eliminator for your outdoor spaces, especially artificial turf, patios, or kennels, and prioritize safety and effectiveness, this concentrate is a great value. What people say. This product is a game-changer for cleaning up after my dogs. It completely eliminates odors and stains, leaving my yard smelling fresh. I love how easy it is to use and how effective it is at breaking down waste. Number 3. P-Hero Dog and Cat Urine Odor Eliminator Concentrate. Tired of stubborn pet odors ruining your outdoor spaces? Introducing P-Hero, the professional strength solution designed to eliminate even the toughest pet urine smells. Say goodbye to lingering odors and hello to fresh outdoor living. Unlike traditional enzyme cleaners, our powerful microbes stay alive and multiply, continuously breaking down odor-causing urea crystals long after application. This means a deeper, longer-lasting clean for your patios, turf, and kennels. Whether you have dogs or cats, P-Hero tackles their messes effectively. It penetrates deep into artificial turf, concrete, and other outdoor surfaces where ordinary sprays can't reach, eliminating odors at their source. You can use it with confidence. Our formula is 100% chemical-free, with microbes that only target urea. It's safe for use around children, plants, and all kinds of animals, even in extreme climates. Get the best value for your money with our 1-gallon concentrate, which makes 16 gallons of ready-to-use solution. It's a cost-effective way to keep your outdoor spaces smelling fresh, all backed by a money-back guarantee. Don't let pet odors control your home. With P Hero, you can enjoy your yard, patio, and garden again. It's the simple, effective, and safe solution for pet owners. What we like. This kit is specifically designed to penetrate deep into synthetic turf, including the infill and base layers, to eliminate odors at their source. It comes with a specialized ProFoam sprayer for accurate dilution and application, ensuring the enzymatic cleaner clings to surfaces for maximum effectiveness. If you have synthetic pet turf and are looking for a comprehensive solution that includes the right application tool for optimal results, this kit is ideal. What people say. This is by far the best product I've found for eliminating dog urine odor. I was honestly surprised at how well it works. After using it, I could immediately smell the difference. The odor was gone instead of just being covered up. It's easy to mix and simple to use on different surfaces. It's absolutely a miracle how well it worked. I will use it from the start of spring and forward. Yard was pleasant to be in. Number 2. ProVetLogic Kennel and Turf Care 1 Gallon Kit. Tired of stubborn odors on your turf? Our advanced formula penetrates deep to eliminate the source of malodor, leaving your surfaces fresh and clean. The active ingredients work by breaking down odor-causing compounds. They travel through the surface and into the base, ensuring a thorough clean. Achieve optimal results with our ProFoam foam sprayer. It accurately dilutes and dispenses the solution as a light foam, ensuring maximum surface contact. The sprayer comes with easy-to-follow instructions and dilution control tips. You'll have everything you need for effective and safe cleaning. This kit includes a full gallon of our enzymatic cleaner concentrate. You'll also find a detailed instruction sheet for a step-by-step cleaning process. Specifically designed for synthetic pet turf, it provides a safe and effective way to maintain a clean and odor-free environment for your pets. What we like. This odor eliminator uses powerful, natural enzymes to break down and eliminate odors from urine, stool, and vomit at their source, rather than just masking them. It's safe for use on a variety of outdoor surfaces including grass, artificial turf, concrete, and brick. If you need a quick and effective solution for common pet messes in your yard, patio, or dog run, and prefer a natural, pet-safe formula, this is a convenient option. What people say. Use it before a smell started and it end with the grass smelling nice. Product works and leaves artificial true smelling great. I use about once a week. For my dog's area. Number 1. Simple Green Outdoor Pet Odor Eliminator. Are outdoor pet odors ruining your yard? Say goodbye to unpleasant smells from urine, stool, and vomit. Our solution tackles these odors effectively. Unlike other products, this formula doesn't just mask odors. It uses powerful natural enzymes to break down and eliminate them right at the source. You can use it with confidence around your furry friends. It's also safe for a variety of outdoor surfaces, including grass, artificial turf, and concrete. Keep your entire outdoor living space fresh. It's ideal for patios, decks, dog runs, and yards, ensuring a pleasant environment for everyone. Application is a breeze with the included hose and sprayer. Just attach and spray to quickly refresh your outdoor areas. Enjoy a cleaner, fresher outdoor space for longer. This powerful eliminator provides a lasting solution to pet odor problems. What we like. This is a concentrated floor cleaner, synthetic turf cleaner, deodorizer, and drain maintainer designed for heavy-duty use in animal care environments. It's a high-performance, bacterial-enriched solution that degrades organic waste and eliminates odors. If you manage a kennel, stable, farm, or grooming establishment and need a powerful, concentrated cleaner for large areas and drains, this gallon size offers excellent value and effectiveness. What people say. This product is a game-changer for cleaning up after my dogs. It completely eliminates odors and stains, leaving my yard smelling fresh and looking clean. I've tried many different products for my dog's accidents, but ProVetLogic Kennel and Turf Care is by far the most effective. It breaks down the waste and neutralizes the odor, rather than just masking it. The spray bottle is easy to use and covers a large area. I appreciate that it's safe for my pets and my lawn. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.